Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel like Tech Programming. Today I'm going to tell you about how we can find out a final year projects for DevOps related. If we are talking about the DevOps and or it's just like we are talking about uh, if we need any kind of like DevOps projects or just we are going to create or build the or final year projects by related to this niche or just like these technologies, DevOps technologies, it have uh, like it requires their own circular state uh, life cycle. And if you want to find out any kind of DevOps projects, so here this is the one of the bestest website like Scalar Academy, or just like I'm going to say that interview bit. I'm going to provide you the this website link into my description of into this video. So this is the life cycle of the like Devops projects. It's according to the uh, you can see this: deploy, operate, monitor, release, test, build, code, plan. So this is how it gonna be works. Like if you need any kind of free like source code or plus documentation in related to the Devops projects, so this is the website where you can find out a good or just like uh, well managed structured final year projects to this website. Like first we have been, you can see this Java application using Gradle, web server using Docker, CID CD pipelines, Azure, Jenkins remoting project, CIDC using EOS, best advanced for projects for final year projects in DevOps. Deployed a centralized web application and like building version controls and etc. It has total 10 final year projects. If I'm going to say that if you need any kind of free source code or just like free documentation, you will get it from right this place or just like this website. It has practice sessions as well. It has interview questions. It has mocks interviews. It has compilers as well. You want to test your code, you will test your code from right here. It's a good website for getting the final year projects. You can see with source code or just like if you need any kind of projects with source codes in this technology like DevOps. So this is the best website. It's called InterviewBit. The second one is about like if I'm going to told you is about Project Pro. You just have to register yourself if you need any kind of projects from right here. And if they have also chat support if you want to talk about with this client or just like this person who have this product right now or just like this website I have right now, they will guide you a well managed way. So you can see this guys, new projects, OS project by PacePark on OS EMR. There are different NLP related projects. You can see this guys. There are a lot of projects. If I'm going to click it right here, it will go to me the other URL linked, and we will find out more projects related to the DevOps. So you can see intermediate projects for DevOps, explore categories it has, and so this is all it contains, this website especially. And the URL we are going to be hit it right here. If I'm going to right here right now, you can see this guys, big data projects, and they also have big data projects. They have many different options. Like if I'm going to click on categories, just like right here, big data science project paths, big data array project path, blog, customer reviews, solve projects. They have many different categories right here in their own project.io, pro.io website. So this is also another good website to getting the free source code like final year projects or just like related to the Devops projects if you need any kind of projects. So the third website is gonna be like this one, Tutorial Works. If you want any kind of like tutorial and why there are DevOps, you can see articles about it, and also they have own profile system. So if you need any kind of DevOps topics and issues, you will find it and you will get the solution from right here. I know that one of the best platform is about the like Stack Overflow is one of the best website to get all kind of solutions, but there are many few other websites providing the, if I'm not gonna be wrong, like providing good solutions related to the errors or bugs and etc and etc. So you can see this guy's practical Devo projects ideas. If I'm gonna be scroll more down, you can see this one, open source AI platform. Again, scroll down more. This web project have their own like description as well and documentation as well. So I'm gonna be almost scroll down. You can see and database machine learning. So if I'm gonna be talking about the DevOps, if you need any kind of projects, bugs, issues, these three websites are one of the toppest, or just like one of the best websites you will get anything related to this technology. If I'm gonna say that DevOps, this all scenario is gonna be like DevOps. This is called DevOps. If you want to be need any kind of solutions, any kind of tutorials, you will get it from these three websites. I will give it to these links into my description. So if you really like this video, guys, kindly please subscribe to my channel, like this one, tech programming, and like the video, share the video. I will provide you the better or just like informative informations about related to this tech programming. If you need any kind of information related to the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, registration, form validations, interviews, WordPress, anything if you need, you will get it from right here. So if you really like this video, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel again and click the bell icon and like the video and share the video. Thank you very much.